job is to take care of the newborn animals here. You probably noticed that I'm wearing a mask, and that's to ensure that they're staying safe and healthy. We are excited about our new farm babies, and we wanted to do something extra special for them. We're going to read them their first story. We hope you enjoy the story, and we at the Minnesota Zoo can't wait to see you again very soon when we open. Thank you. Well, good morning again from the Minnesota Zoo. Today we're in with a litter of piglets, and we're going to have a little story time with them. We're going to read Patty Cake and see how they like that. All right. Patty cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it, pat it, and mark it with a bead. And put it in the oven for baby and me. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. There came a great spider and sat down beside her to frighten Miss Muffet away. Little Boy Blue, come blow your horn. The sheep's in the meadow, the cows are in the corn. Where is the little boy who looks after the sheep? He's under the haystack, fast asleep. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, and down he run. Hickory dickory dock. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty Dumpty back together again. This little piggy went to the market, and this little piggy stayed home. This little piggy had roast beef, and this little piggy had none. This little piggy went wee, wee, wee all the way home. Bow wow, says the dog. Meow, says the cat. Drut, drut, says the hog. And squeak, says the rat. Woo-hoo, says the owl. Caw-caw, says the crow. Quack, quack, says the duck. And moo, says the cow. Ring around the rosy, a pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Then we have Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Hey, diddle, diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such a sport, and the goose ran away with the spoon. Jack be nimble, Jack be quick. Jack jumped over the candlestick. And then lastly we have Rock-a-bye baby on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bough breaks, the cradle will fall. And down will come baby, cradle and all. So thank you very much for having share our story time with you and these vicious little pigs here. So they're very friendly, and sure enjoy them. Hope to see you guys all pretty soon.